that has become one of the most popular in the sublimation market. We are going to see how to prepare it to connect properly to our computer. You will find your warranty and your installation guide. Here comes our kit. Here comes our printer. To fill them, you have to open our main lid, remember? Until you hear this click. Thanks! Look, I'm going to show it up close. It also indicates each color that we are going to put. If you notice, so now that it's here in this position, you just have to squeeze a little bit more. By itself, it will do its function. In fact, here you can hear a very particular noise. And we won't have problems with spills, because as soon as I take it out, it doesn't have any problem. So now we can see that we already have our 4 levels at the top. We can now close all of the 4 compartments that we have here. And then we can close once again our printer.